What you looking at? You think you're all good because you're a bird, huh? No, he thinks he's all good because he's a bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. That one thinks he's all good because he's a bird.
What is that?
That bird thinks he's all that because he's a bird.
African rooster?
That's an African rooster.
I have no clue. It looks weird. He's fat.
So you
Look at
assume
the
it's
little
African?
skinny legs.
Oh, look at that one down there.
Enter your pickup line.
Focus.
There's one down there and tons down there.
Are there little parakeets?
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
Okay. Can we go look at the tigers over there in that one exhibit?
Those are
Let me
tigers.
send you guys in. Beyond the fence. Hello, it's me. You can go beyond the fence.
Some donkeys.
Oh, there you go. Take it back. Hey, Mom, can we go to the tigers?
Oh, it's a pigeon.
The pigeon. Oh. So there's a Bill. Miner? Where's the Bill Miner? I don't see Bill Miner. Oh, I see it. It's right there. It's white. You can barely see it. But you can see it right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a beautiful bird. I can't. This is a door thing. Can't see this anymore. Today we're at the zoo. Drawing time with the family. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Hey. We're in the zoo with the family. And you got Harambe there. Lots of things. So, I'm going to show you birds. There's also snakes. Get those snakes. Also a fox exhibit, which I'll go try to get to. Where's the fox exhibit?
What?
The fox exhibit? Where you go into the fox's cage?
Down over there.
Can you go to it?
Yeah, for me. I know that's what it is.
Oh, dang, I've missed that. Yeah?
It's a crane.
A crane. Does it lift heavy things then?
Those are, I don't know why it can't fly.
Those are big.
He's deep throating water, guys. What a nasty bird. What an absolute nasty bird. What a bird. Deep throating water. All the tiger exhibits are just gone today. Ooh, bears. You can look at some
One of
bears.
them's more aggressive than the other.
Over here, if you want to see the fox.
What? Do you guys want to go see otters? I'm hot. I got makeup everywhere, all over my clothes.
Go. Whoa, you can hear him breathing.
I look like a hot mess.
Wait, you can hear him breathing.
And then it's starting to get super hot, so I'm gonna look
Showing
crazy.
off his bare body.
Jeez. Look, I might have to go see some coffee. Sorry to pass out.
Definitely a beer that I would like to have for Christmas or something. But you never know. You might get a bear for Christmas, or you might get a pet hamster that can't fit it through its door. He's walking the little bear trail that they made him. Let's see. bears get pretty fat. Right?
Down here.
Gosh, we never went up or down these stairs before. Oh gosh. We gotta go to the fox. Oh, here's the fox. The moment of the video. The moment I clickbaited.
Is here.
Well, not clickbaited because we're doing it. Okay. Oh god.
I don't think the fox is here.
No, you're supposed to act like a fox. There's never been a fox in here. It's just so you know what a fox feels like when he goes through his tunnel. Okay, go out so I can get a 360. So this is what it's like to be a fox when they poke out their holes. This is what it's like.
In here. Just sit down and relax.
Oh, it echoes in here, so sorry for the bad audio. You just go out. Gosh. Oh. Okay. Oh, those are sloth bears.
Yeah, you can run and race. You don't have to walk as slow as me.
That's
Those bears are sloth bears.
Yeah, I realized that too.
I don't understand why it has to be so hot.
I'll look at the otters to close off the video.
Look at the otter. I'll be walking.
Okay. Okay, there's otters over here. I don't know if anybody else in my family's coming, but I know I am because I need it for the video. Oh wow. What in the world is that? Whoa, tell me you've seen better internet videos. Probably like Fortnite. Look how dirty that water is, man. Oh, wow. Did they stop cleaning his cage? How long ago did they stop cleaning his cage?
I think it's literally going under.
He's gonna come back. Oh, there he is.
He's like a slimy fish.
He's a slimy fish. That's what she said. Well, there it is. Oh, it looks so much better in real life than it does on video, but... Oh, there it is. Oh, I got like a face of it. Like, you could see its face. Whoa, wait. Is that a fish head? That's literally a face of the fish head.
Where?
Right there. You can see the eye of the fish.
Look at the otter.
That's blue.
It's going into one of the trees.
They didn't even mind you cleaning up the fish, man.
Oh, one's coming out of the hole. One's coming out of the hole.
Oh, it's coming. It's gonna come swimming. What?
He's trying to see where he's
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, come on, please jump in the
Here
water.
it comes.
That's
Look,
perfect content.
Look at the
That's
otter.
perfect.
I can't see.
I deserve
things.
1,000 likes for that.
Wow.
There's the otter.
Wow. He's swimming.
Oh, there he is again. He's over there. Oh,
Oh, what? He did like came out of water and did like a spin.
he's on the ground all the time.
He's trying to get his buddies to come out, but no one wanted to swim.
I remember the one time one of them was pregnant and they kept yelling at each other. The joys of parenthood.
There's one in there, in the log. Oh, that's awesome.
I can't find it.
You just go underwater and you'll find it.
Jolted against the side.
Oh, there is. Is he gonna get out?
Fly, Walter.
Oh.
He's more interested in the fly. I wish the water was clear. But then it wouldn't be like in it.
They never clean his water, I swear. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna do something. It looks so cute. Is he gonna gonna eat the fish head?
Look inside.
You can't get his attention.
I wonder if he's gonna come back down here because I want to get. It's like a slimy reptile.
He's gonna get his buddies. Oh, one's peeking
Oh, look,
out of
there's one in the log. There he is. He's gonna get back in.
He's like, come on, Karen. Go.
Hello?
Look at that. Look at that.
Jump in.
Jump in. Come on, please. Oh, yes.
Watch an otter.
It's perfect.
He opened his mouth and he's...
Oh, look at him. He's like walking upside down on it. Come on, please go under.
He's like a dog.
Oh, there he is.
Hey.
That's the perfect way to end off the video. The
It's a
otter will
girl.
do a trick to
It's a girl.
end off the video.
Whoever flips over, you can see it's a girl.
But somebody needs to get that big board off of there.
What is under there?
Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. I think there used to be fish here or something, but now there's just bees and all of it. So let's go ahead and start walking. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just want to show you guys. I'm going to the zoo. I will be uploading a 5-second video. It's supposed to make you scared, so if it's 3 a.m.
Don't know where
make sure to watch it because yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll try to start uploading a lot more. I've taken a large break off of YouTube lately, and I'm trying to delete most of my content, like all the cringy music and all that. So yeah, but I don't know, I gotta figure out how to do it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.